Let's start our comparison with the features offered by Robinhood, Merrill Edge, and Fidelity. Robinhood is known for its simplicity and ease of use, ideal for beginners. It offers commission-free trades and a user-friendly interface. Merrill Edge, on the other hand, provides a more comprehensive set of features, including research reports and advanced trading tools. Fidelity stands out with its robust set of features like extensive research, customizable dashboards, and advanced charting tools. It offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Next, we'll look at the pricing structure of these three platforms. Robinhood offers commission-free trades, which is a major attraction for new investors. Merrill Edge also offers commission-free online stock, ETF, and options trades. Fidelity, while offering commission-free trades for online U.S. stocks and ETFs, charges a relatively higher fee for broker-assisted trades. However, it compensates for this with its extensive features and research resources. User experience is another crucial factor to consider. Robinhood has a minimalist design, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Merrill Edge offers a more detailed interface with numerous tools and resources for research. Fidelity has a more complex interface due to its extensive features, but it offers a customizable platform that can be tailored to individual needs, providing a unique user experience. Let's talk about integrations. Robinhood has limited integrations, focusing more on simplicity. Merrill Edge integrates with Bank of America, allowing seamless transfers between accounts. Fidelity offers extensive integrations with various third-party applications and services, including financial planning tools and robo-advisors, providing a more holistic financial management experience. In terms of performance, all three platforms are reliable. Robinhood is known for its fast and smooth performance, especially on mobile. Merrill Edge provides reliable performance with minimal downtime, and Fidelity is renowned for its robust and stable platform, even during high trading volumes. Security is of utmost importance when it comes to investing platforms. Robinhood, Merrill Edge, and Fidelity all use high-level encryption and security measures to protect user data. They also provide insurance coverage for assets under the SIPC. However, Fidelity goes a step further by offering additional coverage through a private insurer. Customer support is another important aspect. Robinhood's customer support is mainly via email and social media, with no direct phone support. Merrill Edge offers phone support and live chat, in addition to a comprehensive FAQ section. Fidelity stands out with its 24/7 customer support, including phone, live chat, and email, along with an extensive knowledge base. Based on our comparison, the winner is Fidelity. The reasons are clear. Fidelity offers a comprehensive set of features, extensive integrations, robust performance, high-level security, and excellent customer support. Although its interface may seem complex for beginners, its customizable platform and advanced tools make it a great choice for both new and experienced investors. That concludes our comparison of Robinhood, Merrill Edge, and Fidelity. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision about your investment platform. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos like this one.